For this bobble stitch swatch, we started with a foundation chain of 20, single crochet into the second chain from the hook and into each chain stitch to the end of the row. There will be 19 single crochet stitches at the end of this row. Turn the piece and chain 1. Single crochet into the first 3 stitches of the row. We will work the bobble stitch into the next stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch. Draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and insert the hook into the same stitch. Draw up a loop, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. We will repeat this 3 more times. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert a hook into the same stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over again and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. Single crochet into the next stitch. This will help the bobble pop out from the other side. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Bobble stitch again in the next stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Keep working this until the end of the row.